When looking for an app to support your mental health, there are a lot of options out there. But how do you choose the best one for you? The purpose of this video is to show you how to compare privacy policies and App Store information between different apps as you decide which one you want to download. We're going to look at two different apps today. One is called COVID Coach, and the other is called Relax Now. These apps both offer tools for meditation and mindfulness, but they have some important differences that you will notice before even downloading them. When you search for an app in the App Store, there is a lot of information that comes up, but today we're going to focus on two pieces of that information: privacy policy and last update. The reason to look for a privacy policy is because it will tell you if and how the app uses your data. The reason to look at the app's last update is because oftentimes apps will introduce changes that make them easier to use. If an app has not been updated in over 2 years, its features might not work as well as an app that is more regularly updated. So now that we know what to look for, let's try looking at both the privacy policy and the last update for our two apps. To begin, go to your home screen and open the App Store icon. The App Store icon is a blue square with an A in it. Once you open the App Store, type COVID Coach into the search bar at the top. Click the yellow sun icon that comes up first. When we open the COVID Coach App Store entry, you notice a few things. You see that the app says it is developed by the VA and that it is an app designed to help you cope with the stress during the COVID-19 pandemic. Right above the screenshots of the app, you will see a section called What's New, where it tells you that the app was updated 1 month ago. Now scroll down until you see the section titled Information. At the bottom of the list, you will see a link in blue that says Privacy Policy. Clicking on this link takes you to the VA website, where you can see the privacy policy for mobile apps at the bottom of the page. This is the privacy policy for COVID Coach, and the first paragraph reads, "When you use a VA mobile app, no data that could be used to identify you is sent to the VA or third parties. Any information that you enter into the app cannot be accessed, stored, or shared." So this tells us that whatever you enter into the COVID Coach app can only ever be accessed by you and you alone. So now we're going to take a look at our second app. Close out of the COVID Coach privacy policy and go back to the App Store from your home screen. We're going to go back to the search bar and type in Relax Now. The first app that comes up should be titled Relax Now Hypnosis Meditation. We're going to click on this app to see its App Store entry. Let's compare this app to the COVID app we looked at before. When we look at the What's New section, we see that this app's last update was 2 years ago. Then when we scroll down to the Information section, there's no option to see the privacy policy like there was for COVID Coach. This means that this app, Relax Now, does not have a privacy policy, so we don't know how the app might use your data. So now you've seen how you can learn a lot about an app before even downloading it to your phone. COVID Coach and Relax Now both offer meditation and mindfulness, but they are very different when it comes to privacy policies and regular updates. Does this change the way you see these apps? Is there one that you would feel more comfortable using? All good questions to consider as you start to explore the many apps available.